Okay, so today's video is going to be about my little Mazda. I recently put a hard top on this, hoping that it was going to solve my water leak problems, but it hasn't. So I think I've tracked down the problem. The first problem we had was water with the hard top, was water just getting down through there. So that was actually quite an easy fix. As you feel on this rubber seal here, you can feel what is like a little metal trim inside of it. You just pull on that and it pulls this forward, so you just sort of basically bend it out so that comes forward. So that's cured the leaks around there. The next one I got, which is the one which I always had, was water coming through here. Now I think I've tracked it down to this. The door pinches against this when it's closed. Oh, so what we got here, water, so it goes into this little funnel arrangement here, actually travels down the inside of this seal and comes out at the bottom there and should trickle out over the sill. So I think it's getting blocked there and then backing up and coming in. So the door alignment is okay. What I think is the problem is this. You can see from this angle, it juts out a little bit there. So what I'm going to try and do is just tap that in, and so this will move this away from the door very slightly, just in that area, and hopefully that'll cure it. Two simple tools, a bit of a lump hammer and an extension bar. All I've done is cut a slot in the end of that so I can catch it over the edge of the door, hopefully. Right, it's still pinching a little bit, but time will tell as to what's happening. What I might do is run a bit of water down into there now and see if that is clear first of all. Okay, what we appear to have is some coming over this channel here, because this has got like a little channel in it for water to run away on. It doesn't seem to be getting past there, so now we'll see how that's fitting. Okay, so what I'm going to try and do is put the window down and give that a bit of a push in. You can get to there, but no. Yeah, I think that should be a little bit tighter into there. is a bit tighter. Right, I can just about see that little channel there, so see if I can get some water in there with the door closed and see if it runs away. Right, I think I might have solved it. Put the window back up and try again. Oh, might have cracked it. Okay, that's looking dry down through there and along there. So we'll give that a few days of rainy weather and we'll come back to it. Right, it's raining quite heavily outside now, so take this opportunity to have a look, see what's going on. And we're looking good. That little drip there is from when I opened the door, but we are looking good all along and down. And no dribbling going on down there. So I think we've been successful. Happy days. Yeah, thanks for watching. There's something different for from the Escort, and there'll be more videos coming up with the this little Mazda. It's not a bad little old girl. Very reliable, fair play. I utterly neglect it and always starts up. Yeah, cheers, thanks for watching.